Active recovery is an important part of any fitness routine. It involves engaging in low-intensity movements to help your body recover after intense exercise. Activities like walking, light cycling, or gentle yoga are ideal for improving blood flow and reducing muscle soreness. These movements allow oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles, speeding up recovery. Restorative activities can also reduce stress and improve flexibility over time. Adding active recovery days to your workout schedule can help you perform better and reduce the risk of injury. For beginners, the best exercises focus on building a solid foundation of strength and endurance. Bodyweight movements like squats, push-ups, and lunges are simple and effective. They target multiple muscle groups and improve balance and coordination. Cardio exercises like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling can help improve heart health. Resistance training with light weights or resistance bands can gradually build strength. Beginners should focus on proper form and start with manageable repetitions to prevent strain or injury. Strengthening weak muscles begins with identifying imbalances in your body. Common weak areas include the core, glutes, and upper back. For a weak core, planks, bridges, and bird dog exercises are excellent choices. Glute bridges, step-ups, and clamshells can target weak glutes. For the upper back, rows and reverse fly exercises can help. Start with lighter weights or resistance bands and gradually increase intensity. Consistency is key, so make these exercises a regular part of your routine. Recovery and nutrition are critical for strengthening weak muscles. Include protein-rich foods in your diet to support muscle repair and growth. Stretching and foam rolling can improve flexibility and relieve tension in tight areas. Allowing adequate time for rest and sleep ensures your muscles have time to recover. Overworking weak muscles without recovery can lead to fatigue or injury, so balance your workouts with rest. To stay motivated, set realistic goals and track your progress. Use a fitness journal or app to record your workouts and improvements over time. Celebrate small milestones, such as increasing your repetitions or lifting more weight. Consistency and patience are more important than perfection. Fitness is a long-term journey, so focus on gradual progress rather than quick results. Incorporating these practices into your fitness routine can improve your overall health and performance. Active recovery supports better recovery and reduces soreness. Beginner-friendly exercises provide a strong foundation, while targeted movements help strengthen weak muscles. Combine these with proper nutrition and rest for the best results. A balanced approach will help you stay on track and achieve your fitness goals.